To our University President, Sister Milita Tolentino, SPC, Sister Arlene Bonifacio, SPC, Basic Education Principal, Ms. Evangeline Sayano, Basic Education Assistant Principal, beloved SPC sisters, faculty, dear parents, pre-kinder learners, and my fellow kindergarten completers. Good morning. It is an honor to speak to everyone today as we thank each one of you making our moving up ceremony possible. Today I am excited to share with you my happy and wonderful story called my kinder life. And my papa and mama brought me to visit different schools to find the best kindergarten for me. The last one I visited was St. Paul University, Quezon City. The moment I saw it, I felt so happy. I was the one who chose this school because there were so many activities I could explore, like swimming, creative hands activities, and dancing. There was also a learning center and the playground beside our classroom, which made me even more excited to learn and play every day. During my kinder life, I learned many new amazing things. I discovered how God created the world. I learned how to add and subtract numbers. I also improved my reading skills and learned many new English words. Most importantly, I learned how to recite beautiful prayers like Our Father and Hail Mary. During my kinder life, I met many classmates who became my good friends. My teacher is very special to me. She taught me how to play, spell, tell time, and a lot more. I also learned an important skill in my step class swimming. After class, I look forward going to the playground, library, and guidance office where I could play, explore, and have fun with my friends. During my kinder life, I learned many new amazing things. I am very grateful to my family for all the love and support. Thank you for bringing me to St. Paul, to my classmates and friends. Thank you for filling my kinder life with so many happy memories that I will always cherish. Let us always pray, love our families and teachers, be kind to everyone, and make the most of every day. To our beloved school, St. Paul University, Quezon City, thank you for giving us dedicated and kind teachers. To our dear SPC sisters, you have been a guiding light to our lives, helping us grow not only in knowledge but also in kindness and faith. Thank you for making us proud Perennials. To our Father, Papa Jesus, and Mama Mary, thank you for all your blessings. Once again, thank you and congratulations to all.
Thank you so much, Arya. Let us now listen to our kindergarten completers as they pledge their loyalty to their alma mater, led by Benjamin R. Ligo IV, Meritorious in Studies Awardee from Kinder St.